Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the City of Love, Iloilo City, Alabira, Iloilo, the hometown of the home city of Miss Universe, Rabia Mateo. So Iloilo's vision is to be on the top 3 highly urbanized city by 2028. Kasi hindi mo monetize, hindi makakaroon ng pag may radyo. Hinay ko lang. City, the city of love. Bakit city of love?
I don't know.
The city of the Miss Universe Philippines 2020. We have there the Plazuela. Jakarta, nagparade, no? Pag homecoming na. Sa picture ay mo mga parol.
Homecoming sa Rabia,
Tagal na kaya. Welcome to SM City, Iloilo. So, ang dami ng improvements dito. Merong festive mall, festive walk. Diba dyan tayo nag-inquire dati? Very expensive yung hotel.
Oh yeah, where?
5,000.
Where? Oh, okay, Suri Hotel.
5,000 only just one person, I think. Something like that.
It's very expensive.
Super duper expensive. Very clean lang yung Iloilo. Talaga. Aside from being peaceful,